Have you ever heard the tale of La Llorona, the crying woman? This is a popular Mexican ghost story around a woman whose husband was cheating on her, and in an act of just pure craziness, she lost her mind. She drowned her children, and then she felt so bad that she ended up roaming the earth, searching, crying for her children. And it's believed that when she sees little children alone by the water, she will take them. The story goes much deeper. You can research it because it really is a wild ghost story. There's even scary movies about her. But for this project, my husband and I are making a shadow box in the theme of La Llorona. And to start, we just used found objects that we had around the studio, part of the mess in here. And we took one box and covered it all in black, painted a nighttime scene, and then we cut up another box to create some little headstones. This is glue that is going to hold all of this green foliage. Patrick painted a little lake in the middle and then added more green all the way around it. After that, it was time to start bringing it to life, and I added some black paint to age the headstone, added a little bit of lettering, and some other accents. After that, it was time to transform the Barbie. This is a cheap Barbie that we found online, and Patrick painted her skin tone over her eyes so that her eyelids would be closed, painted black lips, and gave her a little frown and some sad eyebrows because La Llorona, she's the crying woman. She's so sad about her children, so he painted some exaggerated tears. We wrapped her in some white cloth. Her clothes are tattered, so we cut up the bottoms of it, and then we added just some little extras on there to give it more personality. A little veil, added some embellishments, a little tissue in her hands. I forgot to mention we had to cut her arms and her legs and then re-glue them back on so it would look like she was kneeling. And that was pretty easy to do. It just took some heavy-duty scissors to cut through and reposition her body. And then those are little fairy lights that are battery operated. And now what we're going to do is put her on our porch for Halloween night. So when trick-or-treaters come to collect their candy, they will have to pay respect to La Llorona.